Good morning. Good morning. Nice to meet you. Me too. Please take a seat. Thank you. What is your name? My name is Kevin Council Agresor. How are you? I am 30 years old. Where do you live? I live in Soledad, Atlántico. Are you single or married? I am married. I have two daughters. What are you studying? I study industrial engineering. What are your hobbies? My hobbies are watching movies, cooking, and playing soccer. Where do you work? I currently work at Trones. Can you tell me about yourself? Well, I am an industrial engineer. What are your greatest strengths? I am independent, creative, and I like teamwork. What are your weaknesses? I can be too much of a perfectionist, and sometimes it stresses me or is time don't go right for me. What is your greatest achievement in life? My greatest achievements are my two beautiful daughters. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself finishing an specialization in commercial manager, industrial marketing, and logistics. What great experience and my field of work. Why do you want to keep your hot job? Because I feel that I had completed my cycle here and I want to continue growing professionally in this new company. Why do you want to work for us? Because it is a great company with a lot of experience. I will have greater professional growth. I see. What are your salary expectations? I would like to earn between 3 and 4 million a month. Thank you very much for being willing to do an induction with us, of course.